welcome back to Scarlett's World. Today I have a lot of chickens. I thought I would record this. Hey. Oh, that's where they used to be. I better go on the other side. They used to be on that side. We moved them to this side. So, yeah. Creedon just caught this one right there. That's a rooster. A lot of them are roosters now because hey, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I thought we had more than that. There's none around. Hi! The new roosters, so that right there is the main rooster, and the other roosters are the ones that are new. So they're all grown up now. I'm pretty sure you've seen them as babies, maybe, I'm not sure. What are you doing? My dad said we have a lot of eggs now. What are you doing? He is mean. Hi. Hi. They try and pick my finger. It's funny. Hi. I'm in my woods right now. There's the shed. Oh, hey, if we're selling our house. I said that in a few videos. And if your parents are getting trying to sell their house and they want to get a new one, this one's really nice. A lot of property. There's a lot of spaces in the woods. You can go hunt deer for deer season and stuff. And it's just great land. There's the house. I don't know, I was just like, here are the chickens, and then I was like, oh, we're selling our house if your parents are selling your house, and if they want to have a nice house, yeah. So, I'm going to the front yard. So, that smells good. There's some kind of food that smells really good. Here is the other property. So, let me show you. Right here is where the driveway starts, then go along into there. There's a creek over there, so you can see it. Let me show you something. If you go way out here is the whole, is the whole house. Let me kind of do that. And that's the house. There is 2 neighbors, and then at the driveway there's one, and over there's a neighbor. So there's 4 neighbors, but this is pretty, people don't really see you. That one's over there, that one's in the woods. Someone's moving over there in that like area. Some's over there. And it's a long way from their house, but except for that one and the one in the woods. And that one is a long way, and the other one is. So, this property is pretty, like, in the woods area where no one can see you, even if you have neighbors. So, yeah.
See that phone, Scarlett?
I'm making a video.
Well, I need it.
Well, you can use Mom's. Alright, I'm taking my boots off. I don't know. And here is the kitchen. A lot of space. One room. This is like, I don't know, a closet. Bathroom, and then my brother's room. Hey, you left the door open! And then my room. It has a closet and a bathroom, toilet, sink, and a bathtub. A lot of space. As I said, we're selling our house. This is the big, I don't know what it's called. Our laundry room. Doesn't have to be a laundry room. I think we're taking our washer and dryer. Here's my mom's room.
It's a mess.
Here's the closet.
But not as messy as your room, probably.
Hey, I cleaned. And then this with the toilet room. The shower, sorry, it's dark. The shower. My dad's. And then this is for us. So yeah. And that's pretty much all of the house. There's some cabinets down here where the chairs are.
Oh, yeah?
And cabinets over here, dishwasher down at the sink. The sink, cabinets over here. This one actually pulls out like this. They're like trash cans. And that, some drawers up there. A window out at the kitchen so you can look out the window when you're cooking. That, the stove.
Unbelievable.
And these drawers. That I think we're taking. The shelves. Those and those. Oh. Well, these shelves are staying. Sorry.
Yeah, they're part of the kitchen.
We have extras, we'll bring them with us.
Yes. We will
Living room.
We'll make new ones for
I'm not putting you in it.
Good.
This and those, that, and some lights up above the kitchen. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4 lights at the kitchen, and I really like that one. I'll turn them on. So that one, it's kind of bright. That one, and of course those. Sorry, I forgot to shut off my lights in my room. And my chandelier. Those little balls aren't staying. And that one up there, turn it off. My mom's at the bed, turn it off. There. Oh. Boring. a light in here. Oh, there is. Right there.
Out of the blue, I just said print me the one for 322.
Can I show them your
The closest one to
light?
305.
Why?
So I
Because I just said no.
that one.
That's his light.
Use
I
that
don't
one.
want people in my room. I'm sure.
And then I find this with
His light.
paperwork.
There's no light in here, I don't think.
Shot in the dark.
Nope, not.
It was.
Of course, light in here.
We told better because I'm halfway worried that I put that receipt in there and
You can barely see them if I shut them off.
it might not have been for the right store, but it was.
And
But I went
that
through all that trouble and it was
is
I just mixed it up.
the house.
You get that black box?
Yeah.
The bottom.
Oh. Sorry guys, my dad is asking me to get this black box. You're welcome. These two open up like that. Of course you know how to open it up. Ah! And that's basically the house. I thought this was going to be a chicken video, but it's a house video. So here is the house. Give you one more look. Just a plain one. Nice door. And yeah. So I'll go outside again. Those. And that one. Nice. And the floodlights, they call it. Oh, that one doesn't have one. That's weird. But yeah, there's the little fan outside. There's no fans in this house because my mom says there's dust that appears on them, so we don't have fans. Only outside though. So that's the house. There's some lights right there. It says, "Welcome friends, please take your shoes off and stay." Because my mom does not like shoes in the house. And I'm not wearing shoes. My brother sometimes wears shoes in the house. They're cooking something good over there. Yeah, that's the land. A lot of woods. One time my mom and me went over there where that fallen down tree is. And that's it of the house.
Perfect.
I cannot find Cook's Pest Control receipt.
Well, I guess that's it for this video.
I'm gonna call
So please click like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!